Sip.
Run.
Sip. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, hello people, and how are you this morning? I hope all of you have a good day for this time. And right now I have chance, so I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Khalili, and just call me Khalil. Thank you for you all and for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. I was born in the beautiful place in Madure's Island, East Java. Yeah, and right now I'm currently staying in Kediri because I take college in Neptune. And I graduated from my senior high school in 2019. During my college project, I didn't take any work. For the last 1 month, I have been a student in International Inclusive Apprenticeship program called Neptune. Yeah, I like watching action movie and comedy movie, and I look so forward to having experience with my new friend in Neptune. We will project together and success together. I think enough for today, and thank you for your nice attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you next time.